agriturismo, where the pecorino is so good, my recipes are gonna have sheep's milk cheese. So this recipe is kind of a takeoff of the eggplant parmigiana. The eggplant that has rows of eggplant that's baked in the oven. Well, this is a quick and simple version. This is just going to char them a bit, and then we're going to finish cooking them in the oven. Just added some parchment paper and the eggplant right on top. This version of eggplant alla parmigiana is really simple. Instead of frying the eggplant, you're actually just grilling the eggplant. So this is just a little bit of pureed tomato that I've heated up with some olive oil, some salt, and I'm adding some beautiful fresh oregano just for some summer freshness. And then right on the eggplant, use your tomato puree, your tomato sauce. The star ingredient is the pecorino cheese. And what I've done on this dish is I've cut it into thin pieces, just so there's that real hit of pecorino or sheep's milk cheese. Just for good measure. Now a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. This is going to get thrown into a hot oven till all the cheese melts and it becomes nice and golden. And there you have it, a simple version of eggplant parmigiana.
No! Ci piace? Ora tutto il cane ti mangia melanzane.